Want to make money online? YouTube is the place, but who wants to be on camera? Not everyone. That's where faceless channels come in. Create content without showing your face. It's a real opportunity. Faceless channels are booming. People love mystery. They connect with the content, not the creator's face. This means you can focus on what matters, the story. It's liberating. No need for expensive cameras or makeup, just pure creativity. You are the voice behind the curtain, captivating your audience. So are you ready to build a faceless empire? Let's dive in. People crave thrills. They want to feel something. Scary stories deliver that adrenaline rush. It's primal, it's captivating. And it's a goldmine on YouTube. The numbers don't lie. Scary story channels rack up millions of views. Why? Because everyone loves a good scare. It's ingrained in our DNA, plus the content is evergreen. A good scary story never gets old. People will always be drawn to the unknown, the mysterious, the terrifying. Tap into this primal fear, give the audience what they crave, become the master of their nightmares. First impressions matter. When it comes to creating a brand, especially one centered around spooky stories, the initial impact you make can set the tone for everything that follows. Your brand is the first thing people will notice, and it needs to captivate their attention immediately. This is your chance to make a lasting impression that will draw viewers into your eerie world. You need a brand that screams scary stories. From the visuals to the name, every element should evoke a sense of mystery and fear. Think about the kind of emotions you want to elicit from your audience. Do you want them to feel a chill down their spine? Or perhaps a sense of curiosity about the unknown? Your brand should be a reflection of the spooky tales you plan to share. Think about your channel name. It should be catchy, memorable, and relevant to your niche. A great name can make your channel stand out and be easily recognizable. Spend some time brainstorming different ideas. Write down words and phrases that come to mind when you think about horror and scary stories. Combine them in different ways to see what works best. Use ChatGPT. It's a powerful AI tool that can help you generate creative ideas. If you're stuck or need some inspiration, ChatGPT can provide you with a fresh perspective. Simply input some keywords related to your niche and see what it comes up with. Feed it keywords like horror, paranormal, scary stories. The more specific you are, the better the suggestions will be. You can even experiment with different combinations of words to see what unique names it generates. It will generate a list of potential channel names. Review the list and see which ones resonate with you. Don't rush this process. Take your time to find a name that truly captures the essence of your brand. Pick one that resonates with you. Your channel name is a crucial part of your brand identity, so make sure it feels right. Once you've chosen a name, it's time to move on to the next step. Next, write a compelling channel description. Again, use ChatGPT. A well-crafted description can give potential viewers a clear idea of what your channel is about and what kind of content they can expect. Tell people what to expect. Are you sharing ghost stories, urban legends, or paranormal investigations? Be specific and let your audience know what kind of spooky content they can look forward to. Keep it concise and intriguing. You want to pique their interest without giving too much away. Finally, your logo. A strong visual identity is essential for any brand, and your logo is a key part of that. Use Leonardo AI. It's an AI image generator that can help you create a unique and eye-catching logo. With the right design, your logo can become a powerful symbol of your brand. Create a logo that's both visually appealing and spooky. Think about the elements that make up a great horror logo. Dark colors, eerie fonts, and mysterious imagery can all contribute to a design that stands out. Think dark colors, eerie fonts, and mysterious imagery. Your logo should instantly convey the spooky nature of your brand and leave a lasting impression on anyone who sees it. Now for the fun part, creating your stories. Start with what's already working. Find a successful scary story channel. Use Tactique to transcribe their videos. Don't steal. Use the transcription as inspiration. Take the core elements of the story and make them your own. Add your own twists and turns. For a truly unique voice, use 11 Labs. It's an AI voice generator. Choose a voice that fits the tone of your stories. Deep and mysterious, high-pitched and frantic, the choice is yours. Section 5. Polishing your nightmares. Video editing. Visuals are key. You need to bring your stories to life. Leonardo AI can help here too. Use it to generate images based on your script. Think about the mood you want to create. Dark and atmospheric, bright and unsettling. Use Leonardo AI's presets and prompts to achieve the desired effect. Now, the editing. CapCut is a great free tool. Import your voiceover, images and background music. Add transitions, sound effects and text overlays. Don't forget captions. CapCut has an auto caption feature. This makes your content accessible to a wider audience, and it's great for SEO. Section 6, the algorithms embrace SEO optimization. You've got great content, but having great content is just the beginning. In the vast ocean of YouTube, your content needs to be discoverable. Now you need people to find it. This is where the magic of SEO comes into play. SEO, or search engine optimization, is the art and science of making your content more visible to those who are searching for it. This is where SEO comes in. By optimizing your videos, you can ensure that they appear in search results, making it easier for viewers to discover your content. SEO stands for search engine optimization. It's a crucial part of your YouTube strategy. Without it, even the best videos can go unnoticed. Your video title is crucial. Use tools like TubeBuddy or VidIQ to find the best keywords. These tools analyze search trends and help you identify the terms people are using to find content like yours. These tools help you find keywords that people are searching for. By incorporating these keywords into your video title, you increase the chances of your video appearing in search results. Incorporate these keywords into your title. Next, let's talk about tags. Tags are another important element of SEO. Tags are like little signposts that tell YouTube what your video is about. They help the algorithm understand the content of your video and match it with relevant searches. Again, use TubeBuddy or VidIQ to find relevant tags. These tools can suggest tags that are popular and relevant to your content, increasing the likelihood that your video will be discovered. Don't stuff your title and tags with keywords. Keep it natural. Overloading your video with keywords can actually hurt your SEO. Instead, focus on a few high-quality, relevant keywords. The goal is to make it easy for people to find your content when they're looking for scary stories. By optimizing your titles and tags, you can help your videos reach a wider audience and grow your channel. Section 7, from views to riches monetization strategies. Once you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can monetize your channel with AdSense. This is a significant milestone for any content creator, as it opens the door to earning revenue directly from your videos. AdSense is Google's advertising platform, and it allows you to earn money by displaying ads on your content. The more engaging and popular your videos are, the more likely you are to attract advertisers willing to pay for ad space in your channel. This means YouTube will place ads on your videos. These ads can appear in various forms, such as pre-roll ads that play before your video starts, mid-roll ads that appear during your video, and banner ads that show up on the video player. Each time a viewer watches or interacts with these ads, you earn a small amount of money. The key to maximizing your earnings is to create content that keeps viewers engaged and coming back for more. You get paid every time someone watches or clicks on an ad, but that's not all. Explore affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is another powerful way to monetize your channel. By partnering with companies and promoting their products or services, you can earn a commission for every sale made through your unique affiliate link. This strategy works particularly well if you have a loyal audience that trusts your recommendations. Recommend products related to your niche. For example, if your channel focuses on tech reviews, you can recommend gadgets, software, or accessories that you genuinely believe in. Authenticity is crucial here. Your audience will appreciate honest reviews and be more likely to make a purchase based on your suggestions. Include your affiliate link in the video description. Make sure to clearly explain what the product is and why you recommend it. Transparency is key to maintaining trust with your audience. Additionally, you can create dedicated review videos or tutorials that showcase the product in action, providing even more value to your viewers. You earn a commission for every sale made through your link. Think about merchandise. Creating and selling your own merchandise is another excellent way to generate income. Merchandise can range from t-shirts and mugs to more unique items like custom-designed products that reflect your channel's branding and personality. Sell t-shirts, mugs, or even books with your channel logo or a catchy phrase from your stories. This not only provides a new revenue stream, but also helps to strengthen your brand identity. Fans love to support their favorite creators by purchasing branded merchandise, and it serves as a great way to promote your channel offline. This creates another revenue stream and strengthens your brand. By diversifying your monetization strategies, you can build a more sustainable and profitable channel. Remember, the key to success is to stay authentic, provide value to your audience, and continuously explore new opportunities to grow your revenue. Section 8. The power of consistency. Success on YouTube doesn't happen overnight. It takes time, effort, and most importantly, consistency. Upload new videos regularly, stick to a schedule. This keeps your audience engaged and coming back for more. Interact with your viewers, respond to comments, ask questions, create a community around your channel. The more engaged your audience, the more likely they are to watch your videos, share them with others, and become loyal fans. Section 9. Unleash your inner storyteller. Creating a faceless YouTube channel is within your reach. You have the tools, the knowledge, and the power of storytelling at your fingertips. Tap into the lucrative niche of scary stories. Craft a brand that sends shivers down their spines. Weave tales of terror that keep them on the edge of their seats. Embrace the digital landscape. Utilize AI, master SEO, and watch your channel grow. Turn your passion into a thriving online business. Now go forth and unleash your inner storyteller. The world is waiting to be terrified.